At SJ Educations, we're always here to guide your journey, make your future clear. We train you well for what's ahead, a path to justice where dreams are led. With the lowest fees, we make it right. Your law career starts with us. Take flight, become an advocate, strong and bold. Your future in law, ready to unfold. SJ Educations, we lead the way. Law admissions, your future today. Training the best to serve the land. Young lawyers rise, take a stand. Global opportunities waiting for you. We're with you always, making dreams come true. The courtroom awaits your chance to shine. With SJ Educations, you'll do just fine. We prepare you with wisdom, skills to soar. A lawyer's journey forevermore. From local courts to the global stage, your law career will truly engage. All the best young lawyers take the chance. With SJ Educations, you'll advance. SJ Educations, we lead the way. Law admissions, your future today. Training the best to serve the land. Young lawyers rise, they take a stand. Global opportunities waiting for you. We're with you always, making dreams come true. Step into law, it's your time to grow. We'll guide you and let your knowledge flow. The world needs justice and you will be the voice of change, strong and free. SJ Educations, we lead the way. Law admissions, your future today. Training the best to serve the land. Young lawyers rise, they take a stand. Global opportunities waiting for you. We're with you always, making dreams come true. Welcome by SJ Education team. Future advocates rise. At SJ Educations, your dreams will fly. With the lowest fee